Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Elan Solar Dandelion Lights. Let's get going. In the box we have the instructions. We have a stake for the solar panel that comes in two pieces and slots together like so. And finally we have the Elan Dandelion Lights with the solar panel attached by the string. So this is a solar panel that is not removable, it is attached to the lights. Turning the lights on is very simple. There is an on button just here which you press down for on, and a mode button if you want to change the lights from a static glow to a flashing mode. These lights will only turn on when it is dark, and that is because the solar panel has a dusk sensor. It means during the day when the sunlight is shining bright, the solar panel is going to take in all of that energy and store it in your battery, and then as soon as it gets dark, your solar lights will come on. There is an incredible 30 dandelions on this light, and each dandelion is spread 30 centimeters apart. A rechargeable battery is included in the solar panel, and it can run up to 10 hours on a full charge. Switching the modes is very easy. You just press the mode button on the back of the solar panel and you get this lovely flashing mode. And another great feature of these being solar powered is that you're not reliant on any mains cables, meaning that you can put them up anywhere in the garden without needing to connect them up. So adding this sort of festoon light quickly and easily anywhere in your garden is a complete game changer. And I must say, the warm white glow on these is absolutely stunning. This product, like all of our products, comes with a 12-month warranty. So if you have any other questions regarding this product, please just comment them down below and I will get back to you with the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you on the next one.